कोई नहीं.
Ma'am, straight.
Left.
Ma'am, your left. Ma'am, your ma'am, straight. Ma'am, your left, left. Ma'am, straight here.
Ma'am, straight here.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here, ma'am. Here.
Your left.
Excuse me. Madam, your left.
Look here.
ना बेटे या सीधी में या बीच में हो अच्छा रुको रुको एक मिनट थोड़ा ऐसे रहो ना बस नहीं थोड़ा ऐसे बस रुको
Yes, Sneha.
साइड आ रहा था मैं इसके लिए इसने सामने थैंक यू भाई फॉलो मत
Ma'am, your center.
Ma'am, your left. Together.
Ma'am, center. Ma'am, your right. Ma'am, one here.
Ma'am, look at left.
Now here, ma'am.
Both of you.
Ma'am,
Center.
center.
Together. Ma'am, here.
Maria, ma'am, center. Center.
Now here, straight.
Ma'am, here also, ma'am.
या मारिया जी आपके राइट में मारिया मैम
Maria, center. Maria, here.
या मैडम जी एक मिनट है यहाँ पे
Thank you. Thank you.
On straight.
Ma'am,
Lara,
center.
ma'am, here.
Lara, ma'am, here.
राइट में
Lara, ma'am, right में.
Lara ji, center.
Lara, ma'am, here. Right. Lara, ma'am,
Lara, ma'am, straight here.
center.
Lara, ma'am, here. Straight,
Lara,
straight.
right में.
Ma'am, your center.
Lara, ma'am, here. Lara, ma'am, here.
Ma'am, your center.
I think it's a great idea. So. And the film producers. I think it's a great idea. It's a novel idea. It's wonderful to have kids and families come in. We've always been a family that's had a dog at home from the time that I was born. I don't think I've had any time or period in my life that I've not had a pet. So it's wonderful, and I think all of us want a little bit of hope that when our pets pass away, that there is some cycle where they come back in our lives. And I think I've experienced that myself before. So I think it's a great idea, and I'm looking forward to watching the movie.
What is the one habit which you like to take from pets? Like which
I think the one habit is that if you leave the house even for 5 minutes and come back, they still greet you like they haven't seen you in the longest time ever. So I wish human beings were like that when we saw each other, we were equally happy to see each other. Yeah? Thank you.